Here at SafeSmart, we focus on providing temporary work systems for construction sites. This is a temporary roof we call the SmartRoof system. It's a modular system that's really quick to put together. It's designed to reduce the amount of plastic waste on construction sites. It's also rainproof, so if you've got a construction site that you're wanting to protect from the weather, this system here provides a really good cover. So you can finish your site off, you can get the paintworks done out of the weather. So the SmartRoof system behind here, one of the key features of it is that it's super quick to put up. As if you've got space like we had here in the yard, you can pre-build the modules on the ground, and then you get a crane to swing it over and put it into place. So we have a set spigot system that holds it on the top of the scaffold structure, and you just swing that module, plonk it into place. It's super quick and it just helps the guys stay off the roof. Estimates are that using this system is about 50% faster than using your traditional tube and clip. That's still a good system, and you'll still need some of that for the awkward situations, but for the straight run roof, this is the fastest method you could use. We're hearing a lot from construction sites these days around wastage on site, so this is a great contribution to that, where this system can be used time and time again, as opposed to a shrink wrap system where you throw it away. The SmartRoof system is part of the ProScaff range, and if you're a contractor that uses ProScaff, it makes it really versatile, so you can use it at events, for storage like we have in this situation here, a whole range of applications.